as thin as possible. Now add half chopped carrot, fourth recipe, a chicken pulao, a simple chicken pulao. For this you need chicken breast pieces, the water into it, adding 1.5 glass of water and enough salt. We are preparing 1 glass of rice. Now let's add this leftover fried gravy